Welcome, my name's Fraser Hay and I'd like to give you a quick walk through the members area of itstacksup.com, helping you to survive and thrive in the digital economy by assisting you with your marketing mindset, strategy, tactics and automation. And the first thing we do is over in the left navigation, you click to log in, and whilst you log in, we start preparing the members area to personalise your experience for the current stage of your entrepreneurial journey, and more importantly, to help you prepare within the members area 6 specific areas which you're able to score and analyse and identify what's holding you back and preventing the results that you want with your business model, your customer journey, your MarTech stack, marketing strategy, lead generation and sales and selling. And in this example, I'm just going to give you a quick introduction to two things. The first one is the marketing strategy tab. In here, you come in and the process is very simple. 4 steps. We analyze, we prioritize, we strategize, and we optimize. And simply by pressing the button in step 1 to analyze, you get taken through to your IBT, where you can experience an instant breakthrough. We ask you a number of appropriate questions in relation to your marketing strategy. Simply answer yes or no to each of the questions, press the button, and as you complete that process in answering the questions, you can return to your marketing strategy tab to see how many challenges you've got that are holding you back and preventing the results that you want in order to generate the backlinks, traffic, sign-ups, registrations, sales and revenue that you may require in order to achieve your objectives. And at any point you can get a snapshot of your score and, more importantly, the other areas as well, and we can return here to the marketing strategy having analysed, and we know exactly, having answered the questions, what the challenges are. We can prioritise what we need to do because we'll know by answering the questions across our marketing strategy. We can then decide what are the key areas that we'd like to focus on and allocate human, technical and financial resources to start generating the breakthroughs we want. So we identify what it is we want to do next. We are very clear as to what the outcome is that we want to achieve, and in having done that, we can then progress to strategize. And here you've got a couple of choices. You can either watch the video, and here we help you in how to complete your marketing strategy plan, and in doing that we can also assist you by giving you a complete marketing strategy document for you to download, customize and personalize. And we go into great detail covering many different parts of your marketing strategy, and we enable you to fill in the blanks very simply and quickly. And we do this through our coaching, and we've got 3 options which we can make available to you. But more importantly, not only do we help you analyze what's holding you back and preventing you with the results that you want across your business model, customer journey, your MarTech stack, your lead generation, your marketing strategy, but in addition to analysing and prioritising what needs to get done, what can be delegated or automated, we help you with the strategic thinking and planning and documenting, and then you can optimise. And in optimising, we can do one of 2 things. We can help you identify the key areas within your strategy that need to be optimized. It could be your avatar, it could be automation, it could be your SEO rankings, it could be innovative testing. Whatever it is that you identify, you can either choose to delegate it or you can do it yourself. You can get coaching assistance with ourselves. We can do it on your behalf. Or what you can also do in the solutions section of our members area, you can scroll down the page and then you can actually delegate a particular task that you want performed by our AI-powered VA, a virtual assistant that's Available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can watch the introductory video. And then we cover a whole host of different areas for each stage of the entrepreneurial journey, from pre-start to startup, survival and high growth, meaningful work, market research, your business model, customer journey, your MarTech stack, marketing, lead generation, sales and selling, and we're adding to these sections all the time. But in this example, what I'm going to do is look at GDPR, and if I open our GDPR guidelines document, and I'll come down to a subject access request, and I'll simply cut and paste that, and I'll return to the page, and I'll scroll down because we want to save time, money and stress. We want to help you save time, money and stress as you plan, document, execute and automate your marketing, your sales and marketing, as you prepare for scaling and growing your business, and so that you've got one single solution to enable you through each of the 4 stages of the entrepreneurial journey, so that you can embrace hundreds of challenges, so that you can prioritize them and take key actionable steps to addressing what's holding you back and preventing the results you want very quickly by choosing to either delegate or automate key tasks. And here what we're going to do is ask your AI powered assistant to actually write a subject access request form, and there it has, it's actually done it. And of course you could then take that, include that in your documentation, but we do this across all the different areas in the entrepreneurial journey, across the key areas of your business, so that you can create the standard operating procedures that you need. You can embrace new tactics for generating backlinks, traffic, signups, registrations. We've got many different case studies and examples of what you can do with itstacksup.com. And if you don't know us, like us or trust us yet, then please simply visit the website. And you can do that at itstacksup.com. Scroll down the home page and put us to the test for free in one of our free webinars, whether it's marketing mindset, whether it's marketing strategy, marketing tactics, and of course, automation. You can also choose to download our book, MarTech Simplified, or my latest book, Things Have Changed, which is all about AI. I'd like to thank you for watching this video, and if you need help, guidance or support, or if you've got any questions, please visit the website itstacksup.com or get in touch via my LinkedIn profile. Thank you very much indeed. You know it makes sense. Itstacksup.com.